to your thoughts. Oh, I feel so hairy. Naomi. Oh. Naomi. Oh. Naomi. No, he tells me. Naomi. No, shut up.
Hey, guess what? Where I went for lunch today.
No, shh. No, you're going to get me in trouble. See the little
Keep
red
going.
light blinking?
Keep going.
That's copacetic.
Keep going. Let's hear some more.
Shut up.
Where do you go for lunch today, Phil?
Burger King.
Who works at Burger King, Phil? Who works at Burger King, Phil?
Yeah.
What'd you take Naomi for lunch?
Shut up.
Yeah, we already know about Sunday, Perry. You're dead.
What about Sunday? What about Sunday? Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Zion Lights was supposed to be Sunday.
I was busy working.
Uh-huh. We already heard who you were taking
It's
out
written
to lunch.
all over your face, and it starts with an N.
Naomi.